Here we have a 2014 Audi A6 TDI Black Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. You'll also find we do have the blue exterior paintwork. Daytime running headlights. You'll find the Audi badge in the centre of the front grille. As a look at that front end. Making our way around to the passenger side, you'll find the S-Line badging. On the sides we do have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. Black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate, as you can see just there. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the dual legs exhaust at the back. If we take a look inside of the boot, I'll just open it up by pressing the button underneath here. We found we have plenty of space. Let's take a closer look inside. As you can see just there, you'll also find storage net there on the right handle as well, just so we can pull the boot back down, close that properly. Back around to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first. Inside of here you'll find the leather seats. Got the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. Storage nets behind the front seats. You'll also find the electric windows on the doors, along with the premium Bose speakers. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same black leather seats. Both these front seats can be heated. There's a look at both of them quickly. Again, on the doors we have the electric windows, tri-lock on each side. We also have the heated electric mirrors. Premium Bose sound system, automatic lights down here. You then find the multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you've got the dashboard with the digital screen in the centre. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. You can see the screen folds out. Just turn the volume down. You can press this button to make the screen go away. Press it again and it'll come back out. In front of us we do have the speedometer and the cruise control on that stalk there. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Dashboard free from any warning lights. We also have the digital speedometer in the centre. Main infotainment screen now. You can see it's showing the radio. We do have the buttons down here, so you can click onto the menu. You'll find all the different features which you can go through. We've got the media options, sat nav navigation, we've got the phone connectivity for phone calls. If you go onto car, you'll also find the different drive modes as well. Further down now, you'll find we do have the climate control. We have the heated seats on either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as it should do. We then have some storage space inside of there. We do also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, automatic gearbox of course, into reverse, and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park just like so. You'll also find we do have the cup holders just underneath here. We then have the leather armrest, which has two different storage compartments inside. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Audi A6 TDI Black Edition. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the buttons for the volume and also phone connectivity. We then have the cruise control and speedometer on the stalk just behind. We are just at the junction now, so we've got our right indicator on, making sure it's safe to turn right. We're continuing on our way, getting up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. We do also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. It's currently showing the digital speedometer. It can also show different bits of information. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have many more features, but the main infotainment screen, for example, you can see it's currently showing the radio stations, also has the likes of the sat nav. We do have the media options as well. Below there we then have the climate control, which also has the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again, right indicator on, turning right onto Gravy Road. We're going to start to accelerate again, getting up your speed, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes as well. You can switch through the different drive modes by pressing onto the car and going through the menu. We are just approaching the dealership now, so we're coming up to a bend. Take it nice and steady around the bend, slowing down, putting our left indicator on this time, and then slow right down, turning onto the dealership. And I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the vehicle into reverse. You can hear the parking sensors beep, and also pops up on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with any some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.